Hello dear students. At first I would like to welcome all of you to Bhanga Virtual School. I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Creator. I am also well. Dear students, at first I would like to give a special thanks to the authority of Bhanga Virtual School. They have created such a great opportunity for you to take the virtual class. So I hope that you are following the class routine, you are attending the class regularly, and you are doing your homework, and you are taking preparation for your developing your skills. So dear students, I would like to welcome all of you to Bhanga Virtual School. This is my identification. All of you know my identification. I am Joydev Kumar Pal, Assistant Teacher English, Morning Shift, Bhanga Govt Pilot High School, Bhanga, Foipur. You can see also my identification on the screen. So dear students, this is for class 8, 9, 10, especially for class 8, 9, 10 and English second paper, and subject will be only 30 minutes, and we are going to discuss very important, very interesting topics on grammar, suffix and prefix, and the part 3, that means I have already taken 2 classes on this topic, suffix and prefix, and this is my final class on suffix and prefix, and I hope that you have already practiced a lot at your home on suffix and prefix, and this is the final class on suffix and prefix part 3, and I hope that, and I believe that this class definitely will be very fruitful for you, because suffix and prefix help you to increase your vocabulary, to increase your grammatical knowledge of all this. Okay, so let's start our class, the students. So at first you will get introduced the learning outcomes. After finishing the class, I hope that our students will be able to tell the definition of affix, suffix and prefix, tell the process of making new words, identify adjective, verb and adverb, make adjective, verb and adverb, and make new words from the root word. So especially I will take the class on identification and the formation of adjective, verb and adverb, because before previous classes I discussed about the noun. So these are the learning outcomes. I hope that you will be able to develop your skills on the point. Okay, so identify the adjective, formation of adjective, verb and adverb. So are you ready to go class? Yes, we can go our class. Dear students, this is the continuation of our class. In the last class I discussed about the definition of affix, suffix and prefix. Okay, so can you remember the definition of affix? Can you remember it? Yes, I hope that. Affix is a process of making new words by adding prefix and suffix with the root word. Affix is a process of making new words by adding prefix and suffix with the root word. Affix, prefix plus root word plus suffix, and this process make new words. So what is affix? Affix is the process of making new words by adding prefix and suffix or the both with the root word. Okay. Dear students, now we will just review our previous class. Affixes are mainly 2 types. All of you know affixes are mainly 2 types. They are suffix and prefix. So what is suffix, what is prefix? Prefix and suffix are a letter or a group of letters which we add to the front part or at the end part of the root word, and thus we can make new words. So when we add this letter or a group of letters to the front part of a letter word, it is called prefix, and when we add this letter or a group of letters at the ending part of this root word, it is called suffix. So suffix and prefix are a letter or a group of letters which we add to the front part or at the ending part to make another words. Okay. So dear students, this is all about suffix and prefix, definition of suffix and prefix, and you know when you make any new word in suffix or prefix, when you make any new words, these new words turn into only 4 types of parts of speech. Only 4 types of parts of speech I discussed in my previous class. What are these parts of speech? Yes, I think you can remember. They are noun, adjective, verb and adverb. Yes, you can see also noun, adjective, verb and adverb. So these are the 4 types of parts of speech. Okay, the new words turn. Now we will discuss today about the information of adjective, suffix, adjective, verb and adverb. So dear students, follow parts of speech, identification of adjective, identification of adjective. So when you will make the adjectives of the given word, when you will make the adjective of the given word, so follow the examples. To understand, to find out the adjectives, you have to just follow the adjectives. We all know what is adjectives. Adjective is a word which modifies noun or pronoun. So that is why the another name of adjective is modifier. Another name of adjective is modifier. Adjectives generally take place before noun or in front of noun, and it modifies noun and pronoun. Just follow the example. The intelligent girl stood first in the examination. The pattern, the intelligent girl, article, adjective, noun, article, adjective, noun. An honest man deserves our respect. An honest man deserves our respect. An honest man, article, adjective, noun, honest, here adjective, and it is in front of the noun man, and it modifies the noun man. Okay. We should respect an honest man. An honest man. Shoma is a beautiful girl. Shoma is a beautiful girl. Mr. Hassan is an active man. So here we find a pattern. Please follow. Here we find a pattern. The pattern of adjective. The pattern is article, adjective, noun. You will find such pattern of word article, adjective, noun just at the place of subject and also at the place of object. Okay. Here we find adjectives in front of nouns. We know that adjective takes its place in front of noun and it is called attributive adjective. Okay. So dear students, I want to inform you that on the basis of the place, adjectives are two types. When these adjectives takes place or sits before noun, it is called attributive adjective. Okay. So these adjectives, intelligent before noun, honest before noun, honest before noun, beautiful before noun, active before noun, these adjectives are attributive adjective. Why attributive adjective? Why they are attributive adjective? Yes, you are right, they are attributive adjective because they have taken its place before noun. Okay. So please always remember, when you will find any word before noun, it will be adjective, and this adjective is called attributive adjective. So, and follow the pattern: article, adjective, noun, article, adjective, noun, and this adjective before noun is called attributive adjective. Okay. So have you understood it? Yes, I hope that you have already understood it. Next, the students follow the another example. The girl is intelligent. There is no mention of noun or pronoun. The girl is intelligent, only adjective here. Or the girl is very intelligent. The girl is very intelligent. This intelligent adjective, it modifies the noun, the girl. But this adjective does not take place just in front of noun. It is after the be verb is. Okay. The girl is very intelligent. Is very intelligent. Be verb, adverb very and intelligent. The man is very honest. The man is very honest. He is very lazy. The man was very courteous. He was very active. So there we see another pattern of adjective. This adjective is not in front of noun. It is just after the be verb. Okay. Be verb means am, is, are, was, are. After the be verb, and also we find an adverb very. So sometimes we will find adjectives after adverb very. So here we find adjectives in part of predicative. That is, it is not in front of noun, rather it is after be verb and modifies the noun and pronoun, and it is called predicative adjectives. So when the adjective does not take place in front of noun, rather it takes place after the be verb am, is, are, was, are, this adjective is called predicative adjective. Predicative adjective. So remember, there are two types of adjectives on the basis of its place, that is attributive adjective and predicative adjective. Okay. So attributive adjective, what? When this adjective before noun, it is called attributive adjective, and when the adjective after the be verb am, is, are, was, were, and it modifies noun in the place of subject, it is called predicative adjective. Okay. So predicative adjective. Next, identification of adjectives. Dear students, follow the examples. The girl is intelligent, the girl is very intelligent. The man is honest, the man is very honest. Here we find the pattern of predicative adjective. Intelligent, very intelligent, honest, very honest. So there is a pattern of predicative adjective. Pattern is like subject, be verb, adjective. Subject, be verb, adjective. Follow the example. The girl is honest. The girl here is subject, be verb is, and intelligent, it is adjective. So this adjective is called predicative adjective. Okay. And there is another pattern of this predicative adjective: subject, be verb, adverb, very, especially very, adjective. For example, the girl is very intelligent, the man is very honest. The girl is very intelligent, the man is very honest. So here is a mention of very, very here adverb, and after the adverb we find adjectives. Okay, intelligent and honest. So dear students, have you understood the point? Yes, there is the pattern of attributive adjective, article, adjective, noun. Article, adjective, noun, it is attributive adjective, and be verb, especially be verb and adjective, or be verb, very, adjective, be verb, very, adjective. It is the pattern of predicative adjective. Predicative adjective. So I hope that you have understood the attributive adjective and predicative adjective. Okay. So we can go on next option. Okay. Yes, fine. Now this is the discussion, another discussion. The students, follow the patterns. An honest man is respected by all. We respect an honest man. Mr. Rohim is a famous writer. So here we find the pattern of attributive adjective, article, adjective, noun. Article, adjective, noun. Article, adjective, noun. I am telling it again and again, because it is very important, because you will find such type of pattern in your suffix and prefix many more times. Okay, many more times. So article, adjective, noun. So this is the pattern of attributive adjective. Next, this is the pattern of predicative adjective, be verb, adverb, very, and adjective. Be verb, adverb, very, adjective, pattern of predicative adjective. The man was helpful, the writer was very popular. The man was helpful, only adjective. The writer was very popular, very, adverb, popular, adjective. Okay, dear students. So I have that you have got in my point. Yes. Now we have already discussed about the identification or place of adjective. Now we will discuss the formation of adjective. How you can make adjectives from noun or verb. Okay. So you can make both adjectives from noun and verb. So there are the reference of some suffixes. There is the mention of some suffixes. You can make adjectives by adding the suffix with noun and verb. So let's start, or let us get introduced with the suffixes. Able, A-B-L-E or I-B-L-E, I-O-U-S, O-U-S, as. Able and as, this is very important. T-I-V-E or only I-V-E, T-I-C or only I-C, C-A-L or only I-C-A-L, F-U-L, L-E-S-S, A-L or I-A-L, I-S-H, E-N, A-N, I-A-N, I-S-E, A-R-Y, E-R-Y or O-R-Y, E-R-N, E-D, L-Y, SOMEY. Okay, these are the most important suffixes. You can make adjectives by adding such type of suffixes with noun and verb. Okay, so dear students, get ready. Among these suffixes, able, as, tip, cal, full, less. These are the most important suffixes. We make so many adjectives by adding these suffixes. Okay. Now we will see, we will discuss the examples. Are you ready to go for the examples? Yes, I hope that you are ready. So follow the examples. Okay, be attentive. Able, imagine, imaginable. As, fame, famous. TIB, educate, educative. Tip, fantastic, from fantasy. CAL, historical, from history. Full, helpful, from help. So there is, I would like to mention FULL, full, but when we add FULL as suffix, we only use single L, FUL. Many students make this mistake because they use FULL. No, when you will add FUL as suffix, you will just omit a L. You have to mention only a single L, FUL. Remember it. Less, helpless, from help. AL, emotional, from emotion. ER, healthier, from healthy. Dear students, please pay attention. We know there are three forms of adjective: positive form, comparative form, and superlative form. So when you will get this superlative form, comparative form, and it will be added by and, happier, healthier, wealthier. Happier, healthier, wealthier. Then we use the comparative form. Okay, so comparative form of these adjectives. ER. Now ISS, child, childish. Childish, from child. EN, golden, from gold. AN, American, from America. ARY, momentary, from moment. ENN, western, from west. ED, educated, from educate. LY, motherly, from mother. Dear students, please pay attention. We know that we make adverb by ly, but there is a point. We also can make adjective by adding ly. I will discuss later it. Okay. Some, quarrelsome, from quarrel. The characteristics of quarreling. Quarrelsome, who likes to quarrel. Okay, quarrelsome. Need, needy, from need. Why? And ing, developing, from develop. We add ing with the verb and it becomes adjective before noun. Bangladesh is a developing country. Here developing is adjective. Okay, you can find so many examples. I have just given a few examples here. So I hope that you have understood it. Okay, so you will practice, you will go through your books, you will find so many examples with the suffixes. Next, formation of adjective. Dear students, here we can also make adjective by adding prefix. Okay, here we will find prefixes, and there is an interesting case. Most of the prefixes we use for opposite meaning. Okay, most of the prefixes we can use make noun, adjective, verb for opposite meaning. So they should follow. We can form adjectives opposite in meaning by adding prefixes. So we will add prefix for making opposite meaning. Okay, the adjectives will be same, but it will be opposite. Okay, for example, unimportant, important. Dishonest, honest. Ill, legal, from legal. Incorrect, from correct. Irregular, from regular. Both are the adjectives. Regular is also adjective, irregular is also adjective, but this irregular is opposite of regular. Impure, from pure. Misbehaved, from behaved. Abnormal, from normal. So there is also the example: uneducated, educated, from educated. Disobedient, from obedient. Illiterate, from literate. Insincere, from sincere. Irrelevant, from relevant. Impious, from pious. Misguided, from guided. So remember the point, most of the cases we use such type of prefixes to make the opposite meaning of the adjectives. Okay. So, these are the use of prefixes. Formation of adjectives. Dear students, that is a very important topic for you. I hope that I can say that you will see most of the times or many times we use past participle form of transitive verb. Past participle form of transitive verb as adjective. Okay. For example, he is a known figure. Known. This known is the past participle form of verb know, and it has become here adjective. That is why I written, we know that past participle form of some transitive verbs can be used as adjective. Okay, always remember the point, we can use the past participle form of transitive verb as adjectives. Okay. He is an educated man. Educated. Educated is the past participle form of educate, but in this sentence educated here is adjective. Okay. So, there is another point I have already mentioned, that you can make adjectives by adding ly, because most of we know that we only use ly to make adverb, but remember is the point, when we add ly with the noun it becomes adjective. Noun plus ly it becomes adjective. Very important point. Noun plus ly adjective. Friend, friendly. Friendly from friend. He shows a friendly attitude. We are satisfied at his friendly behavior. Another example. We are satisfied at his friendly behavior. He is very friendly. Friendly here definitely adjectives. So, noun plus ly equal to adjectives. These are very important point. So, these are all about our adjectives. So, I want to just remember you attributive adjective, predicative adjective, okay, and also the article, adjective, noun, and be verb, adverb, adjective, or be verb plus adjective. These are the pattern of attributive adjective and predicative adjective. Now, we will discuss the formation of verb. The students, just remember, most of the cases we find verb in the sentence, we do not need to make verbs, but in suffix prefix we can make verb by adding some suffixes. Okay. So, what are the suffixes? en, isa or ijD, fy or e. We can make some verb by adding en, isa, ijD, fy, e with noun or and adjective. Okay. Broaden from broad, adjective. Broaden from broad. Victimize from victim. Beautify from beauty. Bathe from bath. Bathe from bath. Widen from wide. Legalize from legal. Classify from class. And breathe from breath. Breathe from breath. So, we have added en, ijD or isc, fy, e. Okay. This is how you can make some verb by adding these suffixes. Okay. So, now we will discuss how can we make verb by adding prefix. Okay. You can make also verb by adding prefix. What are these? En, endanger from danger. Enable from able. Ensure from sure. Be little from little. Be full from full. Be full from full. Imprison from prison. Imperil from peril. Impress from praise. Inhabit from habit. We are adding in. Intone from tone. Inquiry from query. Embody from body. Embank from bank. So, this is how you can make so many verbs by adding prefixes en, be, im, en. Dear students, there are also some prefixes by which you can make opposite of verb. Okay, we can make opposite of verb. For example, dislike, like verb, dislike also verb, but opposite in meaning, dislike. honor, dishonor, respect, disrespect. Miss, behave, misbehave, guide, misguide, lead, mislead. Un, cover, uncover, lock, unlock, fold, unfold. So by adding this type of prefixes, you can make just opposite verb. Okay, so this is all about our verb. Now we will discuss our adverb. Dear students, I hope that you will be able to remember all this point I am discussing. This is very important discussions, and you have to just go through the class again and again, and you have to practice a lot. So the formation of adverb, we can make adverb by adding ly with adjective. Okay, we have a wrong idea that if we add ly, this will be adverb. No, not, because when we add ly with noun, it becomes adjective, and when we add ly with adjective, it become adverb. For example, beautifully, beautiful, actively, active, slowly, slow. This is adverb and this is adjective. And there are some other adverb, but it is not used in such a way. Okay, but just remember wise, likewise, like, wards, backwards from back, homewards from home. This is all about also adverb. So remember, when we add ly with the adjective, it becomes adverb, and when we add ly with the noun, it becomes adjective. So dear students, there is a class work for you. Okay, so can you see it? Yes, take your notebook and just write the answer of the questions. I hope that you will be able to complete the answer. Okay, freedom, war, independence, dare, willing, might, main, fight, known, appeared. Okay, can you see it? Yes, I hope that you will be able to write the answer of the questions. Okay, take a time for a while, yes, and write the answer of the questions. This is your class work, and you must complete the answer, complete the exercise at your home. Okay, so I just providing your answer, and you will just match with your answer. First one will be freedom, warrior, independence, darer, willingly, mighty, mainly, fighter, unknown, disappeared. Okay, so I can mention another point, the parts of speech of these new words. Okay, just follow the example. Freedom, here freedom, noun, but in this place a freedom fighter, freedom here adjectives, because when two noun placed side by side, first noun becomes adjective. Okay, freedom, noun, and also adjective. Warrior, noun. Independence, noun. Darer, comparative form of adjective, darer. Willingly, adverb. Mighty, adjective. Mainly, adverb. Fighter, noun. Unknown, adjective. Disappeared, verb. Okay, so these are the parts of speech. Dear students, this is all about your classwork. Now time for your evaluation. Are you ready? Yes, I hope that you are ready to answer the questions. So answer the question. What is suffix? Yes. What is prefix? What is affix? What is affix? What is suffix? What is prefix? Yes, get the answer. Where can you find adjective? Where can you find adjective? Yes, we can find adjective just before noun. Before noun, this is called attributive adjective. And we also find adjective after only be verb. Okay, predicative adjective. How can you make adverb? How can you make adverb? I have given a structure. How can you make adverb? Yes, just write the answer. How many parts of speech can you make by ly? We add ly and we make two types of parts of speech. What are these? Yes, say yes. There is another equation, noun plus ly, it makes what? Noun plus ly, it makes what? Adjective plus ly, it makes what? Yes, write the answer. And identify the parts of speech of the following words. Identify the parts of speech of the following words. You have to identify the parts of speech of the following words. Okay, this is all our evaluation. Have you got it? Yes. Dear students, it is for your homework. Now you can see 4 new root word. You have to make more words from this root word as much as you can. This is your homework. Okay, this is your homework. I hope that you will be able to do the homework accurately. Okay, dear students, that is all for today. Thank you all, and I hope that you will just go through the class again and again, and you will be able to develop your skill on suffix and prefix. That is all. Thank you very much.